So next problem number 8, regular pentagonal prism placed on the cylindrical block. Okay, so first you have to write the pentagon top view and find out the dimensions. Write the reference box and find all the dimensions with respect to corners. First you have to write the cylindrical block, dimension of cylinder side 80. Write the isocircle. Minus 30 degree last angle. This will finish. Join the corner to opposite midpoints. Carefully join it, otherwise you can't write the isocircle. Then take the arc by center point. From intersection point to here. Okay. Next, the thickness of the cylinder is 25. Okay. From the center, you have to give the 25. 90 degree angle. Place it and select the curves. Okay, and center line. Take the move option. Select this one and place it here. The end point. Circle is. Next, you have to write the pentagon. You can look at this one. The total size is 46.17. Take the 30 degree angle. 46.17 length and the angle will be 30. Okay. So here you have to take the midpoint 24.27. Okay. Enter 150. Again 24.27. Enter 150. Okay. So here you have to take the total distance 46.17. Angle will be 210. Next you have to join the end point. Okay. So here go for the arc method, arc by center. Start from this end point. So distance you can look at this one 28.53. So click it here first, then give the 28.53. Enter. Take the arc. As it is same in the opposite side also same. You have to take it 28.53. Enter. Click it. Two clicks here. Take it this one. Okay. And this is 9.27. So from here you have to take 9.27. Enter. Arc you have to take it. Click here. Okay. From this corner also you have to take it. So 9.27 length and arc you have to draw. Okay. So now take the line command, make it 0.5. So start from this point, zoom this one, carefully go for intersection symbol. You'll get the intersection symbol. Start from here, fit page. Okay, zoom here. You can look at the intersection symbol, click it. So you'll get the one side of pentagon. As it is in the remaining sides, you have to do it same method. In this point, you can go for the end point. We are given the, carefully take it, you can look at the end points here. Okay, next click it here. You can see the intersection point. Yes, click it. And you can go for the end point. Okay, pentagon is finished. And you have to find out the midpoint of the pentagon. Okay, and another corner to this midpoint. You'll get the one point here is the midpoint of the pentagon. So then you can place this one. Okay, go for move command directly. Select this diagram. Select the copy. Choose the midpoint here. Carefully choose this one, intersection symbol. Click it. And place exactly at this point. Okay, base of the pentagon is placed. And again, you have to go for the top of the pentagon. What is the height of the pentagon prism? 60. So you have to write the line 0.25 and write the axis line type. So 60 you have to give, 90 you have to give. The axis is over. From this end point, you have to place the midpoint of this one. Select it. Move command, switch off the copy. Choose the intersection symbol and choose the endpoint symbol of this line. So it is placed. So top face and bottom face of the pentagon is done. Next, join the edges using 0.5 and a straight line. You will get the easy endpoints. So these two edges visible. Third edge is also visible. And inside edge is not visible. So make it 0.25. Otherwise, you can trim this one. Yes, okay. And you have to join the edges of the square block. Okay, and I will choose the visible part. Okay, so I'll select this one curve, select the curves. Curve. So I'll make it 0.5. Okay, look at this one. Only this part is not visible. So I have to split it both two lines, this one. Okay, and here this curve is also some amount of curve is visible. You can look at this one. Choose the split command, select the line, choose the intersection point. As it is same, select the line, choose the intersection point. This line is separated. Okay, so now you can go for the here this line. Okay, select this one up to the end of point, this one. Yes, end of this one, click it. Here also select the line first, then end of this point, click it. Okay, so curves of this one is completed. Now we can select the, you can look at this one, it is splitted, only this amount is showing, and inside this one, and select the pentagon inside the this one, go for make it 0.25. Clear. Okay, so this will be finished diagram. Okay, so I will show the visible part by removing the reference lines, some reference lines. Okay, so now it is visible. So delete this reference line also, delete this reference line also. Okay, so now the cylinder block, above the cylinder block, there is a pentagon prism. Okay, so now select whole diagram and convert it into isoscale 0.8164 and place it properly on the reference line. So take the dimension, vertical dimension, check it, the vertical distance of the axis of the cylindrical block and also pentagon. That's why I'm not erase the reference line. Vertical dimensions you have to show, and you can go for the angle 30 degree on both sides. Yes, this completes the diagram. Thank you.